Hello parents, I'm Robin Barrett and I'm the Free and Reduced Specialist for Rutherford County Schools. We have opened up our online application process. I just want to show you how easy it is to go online and fill out an application. Just go to our home page, click Departments, scroll down and find School Nutrition and click on that. Over here it's Free and Reduced Online Application. Click on that. Apply for free and reduced meals. And then you begin your application process. This is the terms of use. You will scroll down and hit agree. And then you will just start following the directions. If you've received SNAP, TANF, or FDPR, you're going to hit yes. It's going to bring you to this page. You're going to fill out all your information and then just continue going down through the steps and then you'll sign and submit. It's a very easy process. It's faster than the paper applications, and we really highly encourage everyone to do an online application. The grace period will end September the 21st, so if your students did eat free or reduced last year, they will expire on September the 21st. So please make sure you do another online applications. Have a great school year and call us if you need us. Thank you.